Guess the animal. I live in bamboo forest, have black and white fur, and love eating shoots. What animal am I? It's a panda. I'm the slowest land animal and carry my home on my back. What animal am I? It's a tortoise. I have a long neck and eat leaves from the tallest trees. What animal am I? It's a giraffe. I'm a marsupial that carries my baby in a pouch and love to hide. What animal am I? It's a kangaroo. I have no bones, many arms, and I live in the ocean. Some say I'm quite smart. What animal am I? It's an octopus. I can change my color to blend in and have eyes that move independently. What animal am I? It's a chameleon. I have 8 legs, spin legs, and some people fear me. What animal am I? It's a spider. I'm the only mammal capable of true flight. I come out at night. What animal am I? It's a bat. I'm a bird that can't fly but swim like a fish. I live in icy places. What animal am I? It's a penguin. I have black and white stripes, but I'm not a prisoner. What animal am I? It's a zebra. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.